Overcoming Procrastination, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Procrastination can be a significant obstacle to productivity and personal growth. Overcoming it requires understanding its root causes and implementing effective strategies. In this article, we'll provide a step-by-step guide to conquer procrastination. Actionable steps. Self-reflection. Begin by examining why you procrastinate. Is it due to fear, lack of motivation, or a sense of overwhelm? Identifying the underlying cause is crucial. Set clear goals. Define your goals and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Clear objectives provide a sense of purpose and direction. Prioritize tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix or similar methods to prioritize tasks. Focus on important and urgent tasks to avoid last-minute stress. Time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for each task on your to-do list. Commit to working on each task during its designated time. Eliminate distractions. Identify common distractions in your environment and minimize them. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and create a clutter-free workspace. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work in focused intervals of 25-30 minutes, Pomodoros, followed by a short break. This technique helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. Visualize success. Imagine the satisfaction of completing a task. Visualization can boost motivation and help you overcome the initial resistance to starting. Accountability. Share your goals with a friend or colleague who can hold you accountable. Knowing someone is checking on your progress can be a powerful motivator. Start small. Begin with the smallest and least intimidating task on your list. Once you gain momentum, it becomes easier to tackle more significant projects. Reward yourself. Celebrate.